So to understand this workout machining tool, so I considered a cabinet from the library. So now what I'll do is I select this cabinet. You see on the top view, we can see the dowel's total length cannot be seen. We are seeing only the partial part of the dowel. The same way, if we zoom to handle, we can see only the hole. We cannot see the depth of the hole or anything. To see the complete operations taking place in this cabinet, what we can do is select this cabinet, go to workout machining, click OK. Now we can see the complete hole depth, we can see the complete length of the dowel and the minifix. So this is a way. So if we come to legs, we can also see the legs hole that is being taking place in the bottom panel. So this is the procedure of checking the machining in taking place in the cabinet.